Hey guys, I know this is going to be kind of like a weird video, but it's okay. Today I'm going to be showing you my sneeze because I have a really weird sneeze, so I'm just going to show it to you guys. Feel one coming on. Feel another one. Oh, more. Oh my god. So I hope that made you guys... Achoo! Oh, I hope that made you guys laugh. I hope that made you guys laugh, so I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.